it, but this is the same shoe they've been coming out with for the longest. I want to say more than 10 years, more than 15 years. Jordan Brand's been coming out with retro 11s, man. And I'm tired of it already, quite frankly. Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about a retro shoe that comes out around this time every year. You guys should already know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Retro 11 Jubilee. This shoe is supposed to come out sometime in December. I'm not too sure on the exact release date, but Nike released them early on the sneakers app and I was able to secure it there. So you know I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can see it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch that you guys see me wearing in this video or any of the videos, you guys can head over straight to the website. We have a sale going on right now, 15% off. The website is p4yt2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Retro 11 Jubilee. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, the shoe is primarily black, white, and a little bit of silver. Alright, so let's go to the toe box. We got a patent leather toe box. Then we have a mesh right here. Going up to the tongue, we have mesh. On the tongue, you know, on the Retro 11, you have the silver jump in there, and it says Jordan going both ways backwards. Come over here to the side panel, you have more of the patent leather going here. You have mesh with the nylon right here. Then you have Jordan. This is something new that's normally not on a Retro 11, but it's kind of metal. It feels kind of metalish, you know. It's a little tough material on there. You have a metal silver jump in right here with the leather right here. You come over to the back panel. As you can see, you got the signature 23 right here. That's normally on all Retro 11s, more of the patent leather going around the whole shoe. You have leather back here, leather here. You come over to this side, you have leather here. You have more mesh and nylon with Jordan written here also. You have more patent leather here. Let's come over to the sole. You have a white sole going around the whole shoe. And then you have a clear, I want to say clouded, clear sole here, and then you have the jump in here, and then you have the I forgot what material they call this here. I can't really remember off the top of my head right now while I'm doing the video, but yeah, man, it's pretty much more the same Retro 11, man. It kind of looks like a Space Jam without the blue. Kind of looks like a bread without the red, man. It's a cool shoe. I'm not gonna say, you know, this pretty too much a lot of differences on this Retro 11 than it is on any other Retro 11. They all pretty much look the same, and yeah, that's pretty much what it is. They all look the same, man. And I have done the video before about Jordan Brand and Nike coming out with Retro 11s every Christmas. Me personally, I feel like they need to change the shoe and just come out with a different shoe around Christmas time, and it doesn't always have to be a Retro 11. And you know, like, there's not much difference here, man. There isn't really a lot of Retro 11s they can come out with, man. Like, they just came out with the I have them here, I have Concords here, I have Cool Gray 11s here, man. I have, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna keep coming out with the same shoes every Christmas, man. It's getting kind of tiring. I've been tired of it, and I think Jordan Brand need to stop, man. But y'all know what time it's time for me to rate this shoe, and out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna have to keep it a buck with y'all, man. I'm giving these 3 out of 5 pennies because it's the same shoe. It's not nothing different. There's no creative, nothing going on here. Nothing creative is going on this shoe, and I'm tired of seeing this shoe, man. I'm just being honest with y'all. If y'all disagree, leave in the comments below. We can talk about it, but this is the same shoe they've been coming out with for the longest. I want to say more than 10 years, more than 15 years. Jordan Brand's been coming out with Retro 11s, man. I'm tired of it already, quite frankly. I don't want to see a Retro 11 every Christmas anymore. Like, I'm hearing next Christmas they coming out with Cool Gray 11s again. Like, come on, what's the point, man? If y'all disagree, leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.